I will describe my parrot. Parrot is a pet bird most favorite people because his cleverness in speaking. This bird is a handsome and solitary bird. At home, I have a parrot and I call it Uwo. Uwo is a male bird. He is originally native to Nias. He has bigger body and large head. He has black eyes and strong beak. His beak is orange and the tip is yellow. He has a body length of which reaches 40 centimeters. Almost all of their fur is black, except in some parts. Such a part back of the head in yellow, also in some parts of its wings white ones. He has short innervators on his head, which is a curved line yellow at the back of his head. Like the other bird, our legs thick and fleshy pricks are not hard. Besides, he very like cricket and banana. And every morning I give him banana and in the afternoon I give him cricket. He is clever bird because he can talk like a human language. He can talk like a man because he uses his tongue in order to produce a sound as the vowel. So he talks like a human.